It was Health Minister Vaughan Gething who conducted the latest Welsh Government press conference. He reiterated the notions of Economy Minister Ken Skates and First Minister Mark Drakeford earlier in the week that this short and sharp lockdown is the best option to bring COVID-19 under control in Wales. The latest figures from Public Health Wales indicate that the death rate is at its highest level since the end of May, with 14 deaths reported on Wednesday and 962 positive cases. The number of coronavirus cases we are seeing in hospitals has also increased by 50% in the last week. However, the true number of infections in the community is likely to be higher, with scientific experts calculating that infections could be growing at 4% each day, with a total of 2,500 cases per day being a more likely figure. Another thing on the up is the amount of tests being carried out, with almost 72,000 tests in the week beginning the 11th of October, a rise in 680 tests in comparison to the previous week. Yet, despite figures such as this attempting to portray an accurate picture of what's going on in Wales, the Health Minister has urged that social media companies take responsibility when it comes to sharing false reports of the virus during the pandemic, with Mr Gething firmly saying that this is not a game. And although many of us will be feeling the fatigue of restrictions by now, Mr Gething added that the virus simply does not care if we are tired or not. The only thing COVID-19 is concerned with is reproducing, and that means more harm. And it's this harm which we will be trying our best to avoid here in Wales. Earlier on, I spoke with Barbara Ross-Jones, who thinks that community could play a vital part during this time.
And it's times like this where we just need to stick together, make sure that we're all okay. Yeah. But I think we've just got to take it, move on and smile. I think it's about time that we just stick together.
Please stay tuned, as we'll have a chat with Ross later on in the programme to hear how he will be coping with the fire break.